So here I have the TP-Link 300 megabits per second wireless N access point. So the model number is TL-WA801N. And yeah, I'm going to be using it for up here. So let's unbox it. So this access point has 4 different operating modes. So you can use it as an access point, well duh, that's what it's designed for. You can use it as a range extender. You can use it as a media adapter to act as a wireless adapter for a wired device, and you can use it in multi-SSID mode with VLANs, which is quite cool. So this thing supports PoE as well, which is power over Ethernet. So let's start opening it. There we go. So in the box we get our warranty details, our quick installation guide, and our GNU General Public License. So first things first, it comes with a PoE injector, which is cool. I'll probably be using this. I'm not 100% sure yet, but yeah. And then we've got our 9-volt power supply, the router itself, well, the access point itself, and a 1 meter Ethernet cable. Okay, so let's pull this out of here. So the wireless access point itself has on the back an on-off switch, a power jack, an Ethernet jack, a wireless protected setup button, and a reset button. So yeah, that's the access point there. Here's our power supply. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much else to unbox here. So yeah, I'll be doing a review of this in a couple of weeks, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, follow us on Twitch, and get subscribed. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.